Good evening, my friend. I hope you're doing great, just like my portfolio is doing right now. This is Jesse right here, checking out my portfolio real quick. I did a little video today, a little earlier, and I said, if my portfolio reaches $800, I think that would be worth making another video. And surely enough, my portfolio is over $800 right now, 810, 812 sometimes around that area. And I definitely want to check on these two cryptocurrencies that I've been following for the next few weeks, BTT and HOT. I just want you to know a little bit of a background of these two cryptocurrencies. BTT, back in February, I think it was, I put $10, and it went up to $30, and I took 20 out of those 30 and left $10 there. Now these last $10 that I left there have turned into 50 some dollars right now, $56 as you see there, BTT. And the same I did with HOT, the hollow. I put $10 there at the same time as I did with BTT, and those $10 turned into $30, and then I took $20 out because I wanted to just take my capital back, and I left $10. And these $10 have turned into close to $100 since I did that. If you want, you can check on my previous videos to have the exact date when I did that. It was a little like earlier this year, like in February, I think it was. But this is awesome and this is great. So, as a result of this move, or the behavior of these two cryptocurrencies, my portfolio is up to $800. The initial investment that I set for this was $500, and those $500 turned into 1,000. So I take $500, which was my initial investment, and put it back into my bank account, leaving just $500 to have no risk at all. And this last $500 that I left there has turned into $800 right now, giving me so basically $800 profit because I already took my $500 initial investment. This is crazy. So the goal right now, the short-term goal, is to go up to 1,000. And then after we go up to 1,000, we're gonna celebrate a lot because I think that would be worth celebrating. Like somebody who starts with so little and then double the amount, and then again double the amount. That's crazy. I mean, this cryptocurrency thing is actually we're in a bull run right now, but this is something that is actually making people money. Is crazy. I mean, I'm not making a lot of money because I don't want you to take that like, oh, this guy is bragging about this little money that he's making, as if he thinks that he's a lot. Is a lot. It's not a lot of money, but when it comes in, I mean, when you think about it in terms of percentage, it's crazy. It's like I have basically made my initial investment like three times already within the last 3 months or something like that. That is crazy. Of course, cryptocurrency is kind of risky. It's riskier, I guess, than blue chip stocks like Apple, Amazon, and stuff like that. It's a new market. It's a new niche. But I'm telling you, there's a lot of money to be made here if you actually take the right approach and you think about it the right way. And since it is starting right now, I think there's a lot of opportunities for people to make 5 times their investment, 10 times their investment in a short period of time. Right now, I'm actually not thinking in a short term basis. I'm actually these last $500 that I had as a profit, I left them there just to, I mean, for the long run. And I'll just see how far these $500 can take me. And it's crazy. It's crazy. And I decided to just give you updates on how the market is moving, stuff like that, and also giving you the opportunity as I do my analysis on the cryptocurrencies that I'm about to take and that I'm about to trade and stuff like that, for you to take a look. And if you want to jump on it, you can go ahead and do it, because I'm telling you, this is a great opportunity. Even if you don't want to do what other people tell you, which is not recommendable. I mean, you should do your own research. I definitely recommend that you dive into these niche and this cryptocurrency thing, because I mean, a lot of people are gonna miss out. a lot of people are gonna miss out. This is something new, but it has a lot of potential and a lot of room to grow, and is great. There's a lot of money to be made here. I'm telling you. So at least jump into it and study it. You know, just to know what is going on with this. Just so you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this for fun, and as I always say that you should do your own research and also never invest or put any money at risk that you can't afford to lose, because there's a possibility that you can actually lose your money here if you make the wrong moves. So I'm scrolling down here just so you know which cryptocurrencies I have on my portfolio, just in case you want to jump on any of them and emulate some of these. So before we go, I would like to go ahead and check on these two charts. This one, HOT, $97 right now, almost $100. I mean, it was $100 and it came back down to $97. And this is something crazy given the fact that I just put $10 there. It is incredible. So we were talking the last time about a breakout that we're gonna have here. Okay, let me see. We were gonna have a breakout right here, and then after we analyze this, the thing went up there, consolidated a little bit here, and then it went up there again. And today alone, we have made 30%, 30%. And if I reach $100 again, and tomorrow we do like 10% or something like that, it would be like $10 right there. So the power of growth has actually gotten stronger as the money increases. And this is for BTT. BTT has a very similar chart, just that it had more potential than HOT, and I think it still has more potential than HOT. As you see, they actually are kind of moving together. The other one is 30% gain today, and this one is around 23% gain, so very similar. But this chart looked a little bit stronger than HOT, because I was talking about it when it was right here on this consolidating zone, and I was predicting that from here we were gonna get at least 40% up here, and we have actually gotten more than 40%. So it was like 3 days ago we were talking about, and then that was one day right here, and then after that we had the second day right here, right, and then the third day right here, and then this would be the fourth day that we are experiencing today right now. So I think there's still room to grow. If you didn't jump when we were talking about it earlier, I would say that you are a little bit late. Not too late though, but you're a little bit late, because at this point some people are just locking in profits because it has actually moved considerably, and you know that nothing moves eternally eternally up all the time. So this will definitely come a little down with a retrace, and if you're buying at the top, which I think we are right now, I think it would be, you were not gonna get as much traction as if you had bought a little earlier, like when we were talking about it right around here. But it would be your choice. I don't recommend you jumping on it right now, to be honest. I would, recommend you wait a little bit for the retrace and then catch it on the dip. But it's up to you again. It's up to you. If you do your research and you think that this is a good opportunity or a good time to just jump on it, is up to you. Be my guest. So that's basically it. These two cryptocurrencies I wanted to share with you, my friend, and I hope you are actually banking some of this money that we, as we were talking about 4 days ago, and that's it. And if you did not, well, I'm sorry, but don't worry about it, because there's a lot of other opportunities that we're going to be talking about it here, and for you to take advantage from. And so don't get discouraged. There's a lot of other cryptocurrencies. You can find them. You can also stay tuned, and get my tips. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this for fun. But I just happen to feel some of these stuff, going on, and do some technical analysis that actually become true. So That's basically it. Well, thank you very much for staying tuned. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.